welcome back, my peeps. Got a quick tutorial for you today. I know you weren't expecting it, but here I am because today is National Gummy Worm Day. So I couldn't let it go without making some gummy worms, you know what I'm saying? I got these gummy worms. We're going to make some sour gummy worms. And we're going to use a mold. You don't need to use a mold, but we'll talk about that later. So these are pretty easy to make. So I got this mold from Michael's. Michael's they have a worm mold, but it's a little bit different. And Hobby Lobby has a worm mold too. So we're gonna come over here and I'm gonna show you what I did to make these. Like these don't have any sugar, which is sand on them. I'm gonna show you what I did to get these colors like this. So basically you're gonna get two different kinds of foam clay, or any kind of clay that you have. It doesn't have to be. This is Play Coat 3 foam clay. I just took it and painted it with acrylic paint. I used Lime Tree on this one, the color Apple Barrel Lime Tree, and then on this one I just used the yellow. I think I used Daffodil on this one, but it doesn't. You can make them any color you want. So basically, you're gonna need to get your mold, and I'm gonna go like somewhere up here so you can see what I'm doing. So you're gonna take some of this yellow, right, and you're gonna roll it into like a worm. Yeah. Imagine that. You'll roll it into a worm. I'm gonna show you like one or two, and then you're gonna get the basic idea of what you need to do. Then you're gonna take the two pieces and you're just gonna connect them like that. You just want them to like touch, and then you're gonna go in your mold and you're just gonna press it in there, and then you're gonna get your worm. You see that? How easy that was? So you could use any color, any combination of colors that you want. I was kind of looking for the colors that, you know, gummy bears, like gummy worms, you know, they have these green and yellow. I mean, gummy worms come in all colors. They make them in purple. They make them all colors. But I was kind of looking for a little bit more realistic. So that's why I did it like yellow and green and blue and green and pink and, you know, like that. So anyways, once you make as many as you want, you're going to put your mold in the freezer for not long. I left mine in the freezer for like 10 minutes. And they, excuse me, and they popped out just fine. And then you'll have a whole bunch of worms like I have here. I'll move this to the side. We don't need this. You want me to make another one? I'll make another one. Alright, so you're going to take your little bit of yellow, and I already closed this one up. And whatever other color I made, I don't have no more pink because I used up a little bit that I had to make these. But you make yours whatever colors you want, but this is kind of a little bit too wide. But and then you take it again, like I said, and you just connect the two pieces. Then you get your mold and you just push it in there. The good thing about this is it doesn't matter if you put too much yellow or too much green. It's not gonna matter because you want it to, you know, that's how you want it to look. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's pretty easy. And then, like I said, if you want to make it with 4 colors, 2 colors, whatever colors you want, and then you're gonna get some of these, like, boom, you got a whole collection of worms. So you're gonna once you have that done, then you are going to, I used tacky glue. Can I bring my tacky glue over here? Oh, it's right here. Duh. So I'm gonna use this Aleene's original tacky glue. I wanted to share this bottle with you too. You know how you use your glue and you always got to keep turning it upside down? Well, this bottle, it is already upside down. So you just leave it like that and it's always ready for you to use because the glue is going to come out at the bottom. Anyways, that was just something I wanted to share with y'all. But I'll leave the link if y'all interested. So I'm going to put a little bit of the glue on my little thing over here. And you're going to take your glue. Oh, wait. I need this because... So I got this. Hold on. I'm going a little fast because I'm trying to be quick. So I got this sand from Hobby Lobby. But you could get sand from Dollar Tree. They have white sand at Dollar Tree. I just wanted to try Hobby Lobby sand. So I got this one for half price. It was $1.50. So I tried it. I mean, I got this one, but you don't need to get from Hobby Lobby. You can get it from Dollar Tree. It's fine. So I'm going to take my gummy worm. And I'm just going to... And I got these brushes from Amazon too. They're actually Mod Podge brushes. And they made for glue. So you won't mess up your good paint brushes. I'll leave a link to these too, so in case you want them. So then, right, you take that, and all I did was take my sand. Hold on, let me put this down. I gotta open up this. So I took my sand, and I just did like this. God, I can't even see what I'm doing because I got all these worms over here. You can't see what I'm doing. So you take your sand and you just basically... just cover it. Or you want to take a little container, you could dip them in there. But I tried dipping in the sand and look what happened. I'm going to show you right now. I didn't like the way it looked. So I tried to dip it and look. It kind of scraped off some. Like I tried to stick it in there. You're going to need a wider container. Or you could just do it like this. Put the sand down and then pat it like this. Until you get it nice and covered. And look, you got you a sour. Make sure you tap off all the sand. And you got you a sour gummy. I think that looks just like a real gummy bear. Well, I keep calling it a gummy bear. A gummy worm. Let's do one more. And then you guys get the idea of what I'm doing here. So I get some more glue. Just put it on my worm. Like this, like that. It don't have to be perfect. Just make sure you cover, up all the area. And then when it's down like this, you could just even put it right on that. Take some of the sand. And boom. Now you can use this sand to make sure you cover up all the parts that got glue on it. And tap off all the excess. And boom. There go your sour gummy worm. There you go. So if you don't have a mold or you don't want to buy a mold, you could just roll out some of the clay and draw lines in it and make your own worm. Let's see if I can do that for you real quick. I'm going to put this away. Put these worms over here and put these worms over here so you can look at them. So like let's say you I'm just gonna do it with one color, but I could do it with two colors. Hold on, I don't know if I have enough. Let's see. Yeah, I got enough of the yellow. So you're just gonna take some of your clay, just like how we did. I took too much, and I know I definitely got too much green. But anyways, so you take it and you're gonna roll it, and I think I got too much here. And you are going to roll it. What did I do with the yellow? And you're gonna get you a piece of the yellow, and you're gonna roll it. And you're also gonna connect it. Just connect it, and now you're gonna keep on rolling until they connect really well, right? And then all you gotta do is get a like you can get a toothpick or something, and you can draw the lines, the ridges of a gummy worm. And you can make a face with the eyes. With the toothpick. You see that? Then you just shape it like a worm. Boom. There go your gummy worm. You got a gummy worm. All you gotta do is shape it. And you have your gummy worm. He got a face. You can make him a smile like the other gummy worms have. And you make as many as you want. Whatever color you want. And you do the same thing. You cover it with the glue. It doesn't have to be tacky glue. If you don't want to buy tacky glue, that's what I like to use. You can use school glue. As a matter of fact, right now, the school supplies are out and all that good stuff. You can stock up on some school glue and make your gummy worms. So guys, I just wanted to bring that to you real quick because like I said, it's National Gummy Worm Day. And I figured, let's make some gummy worms. And I think actually Monday is Sour Gummy Day, which is coming up, but I'm making sour gummies right now, so we're not gonna do no sour gummies. But aren't these don't they look real? So y'all go make y'all some real quick. It's easy. If you don't have a mold, like I said, you can make it by hand. Just shape it, let it dry, cover it up with the sugar, your fake sugar, which is sand, white sand, which you can buy at Dollar Tree, you can buy at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, you can buy white sand anywhere, okay? So guys, until the next video, stay safe, stay healthy, and don't eat too many gummy worms today because then you'll get sick in the tummy. I'll talk to y'all later. God bless. Bye.